Let's see how to configure an HR case template for a 401k retirement plan inquiry, HR service. In the navigation bar, select All. Enter HR services in the search bar and access the HR service configuration. Then, pick an HR service to configure the HR case template. Select the template you intend to configure. Enter a suitable name for the HR case template. Enable the active checkbox so that the template is available to use. Provide a short description. This is a default short description that appears on a HR case form whenever an HR case is created within this specific HR service. Select a priority assigned to the HR case. For example, if the priority is set critical level, then any HR case created under this HR service will automatically have the priority set to critical. Choose an assignment type. The HR case generated under this HR service will be automatically allocated to the designated user, skill, or group as specified in the HR case template. Use Add Field to automatically populate default values for fields on the HR case form when a request for that HR service is made. For example, you can add the state field to set a default case state or select a document template for cases that require a document signature. After filling in the required fields, click Save.